Got these hot Cheeto Puff wings. I got different sauces, cheese sauce, fries, Cajun butter. These are done. But we're gonna dip them in some sauce.
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me.
What's up, Bella Buds? It's your girl Bella DeKush. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I had some of my friends taste test some wings. I have a new food venture that's going to be coming out soon. I will share everything with you guys as soon as I get everything done. But for now, just enjoy this taste testing and see their first reaction. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know when your girl posts new videos. But for now, enjoy this video. All done, guys. Did boneless and bone in. These are honey, sriracha, buffalo, hot Cheeto Puff, and Cajun butter. And I have bone in and boneless. And some fries. So, gonna see what this is talking about. So, Ray gonna taste test. That's the Cajun butter.
That feels good.
Yeah.
Oh,
that shit crunchy as fuck. Okay, Lola's gonna try wings. Okay, so which one are you gonna try first?
This one?
That's the Cajun butter.
Okay, let me do the flour one. That's my thing.
Oh, no, it's not.
You like that one?
Yeah. Oh, this one, wow.
Okay.
Definitely tastes the Cajun.
Okay, good. That's honey sriracha.
Good here.
What you think of that one?
That whole kind of like, that whole good. That whole got like 3 flavors to that whole.
It's spicy. It's honey sriracha, sweet and spicy, probably. Now she's gonna try and
God dog it.
the honey sriracha. It's sticky.
Very much the name, you know, like
Honey sriracha? Yeah. Okay. That's the buffalo.
Do you think I could? What you think I could do? You think I
What you
could
think?
like? You think I could put like?
That
So
whole
why
hot.
don't you put it?
That whole hot as hell.
It's spicy.
That whole good though.
Okay.
That whole good hot.
Now she's gonna try the buffalo.
A lot of spice.
And it's saucy too. You like that one? Buffalo's our thing anyways. Okay.
That's my one. That's the one for me.
Okay. Hot Cheeto Puff chicken.
I ain't never had this shit before. First time. That shit really tastes like regular chicken and no cap. No cap.
Okay. Okay, now she's gonna try the hot Cheeto Puff.
Ow.
And all of them are still crunchy.
Oh yeah, that's good as fuck. Get that.
Okay, so the Hungry Hippie, y'all be ready, because we coming with it.
Right. Private jet when it's urgent, gotta get flown right. Brandon Graham from Detroit, nigga, that's home, right? Expensive designers can't fit.